the still of the night when it's quiet.
Well, what an opportunity. 29 Rundle Avenue, over 670 square metres of land, huge site access and a home you've got to check out. Enjoy. This beautiful Stylemaster home provides comfort, flexibility and plenty of space for you and the family to grow. We cannot wait to show you through.
I'm proud to say she's